Hey, welcome to the install video for our new GKTECH Polyurethane rear subframe bushings. Hooray! What you get are these fine chunks of polyurethane that are two different sizes top to bottom, but we're going to explain that later, so stop freaking out. You also get these 4 large washers that go on the bottom. Now there are 2 methods to get your old haggard subframe bushings out. The first one is not knowing how a lighter works, and then finally burning those suckers out with fire. The faster method is to drill them out with a hole saw. Drill from the top and it'll fall through the bottom like so. Slip in a hacksaw and cut a slit in it. Then slowly tap that hunk of hot garbage out of the subframe. Now that the shell is gone forever, clean the subframe up with some sandpaper, then some brake cleaner, and then finally a rag wiping it down. Now I don't personally own a lube bush, but you will need to lube this bushing up. Save some of the good stuff for inside the subframe as well. Time to either press and or elbow drop this thing into place. Your choice. Flip the subframe over and again lube the bushing liberally without prejudice. Then back to the subframe itself, placing the bushing on top, grabbing a rubber mallet and just tap it in. Just tap it in. Reflip the subframe, and here's when the sizing does actually matter. On the left, you'll get 10 millimeters of roll center correction, raising the subframe up, or on the right, you'll get OEM height for more clearance. Now grab your inner sleeve and lube the ever-living crap out of it. Grab a finger of grease and smoosh it around on the inside of the hole as well, and smash it into its hole with your favorite love tapping device. Clean any residue up, leaving it sparkly clean as evidenced by the on-screen sparkles, and that's it. You may or may not have corrected your roll center, but hey, that was up to you, wasn't it? These guys are idiots. Please follow them on YouTube for antics, and if you need help installing and or cannot, have a pro do it and reach out with any questions. This is Officer Dan, Johnny Caps, and Zach, not Bilzerian, but still with a B anyway, signing off until we install some more parts soon. Peace!